Okay, I hope this actually works now because I didn't test it. Let me see on the stream here. Yep, it's actually working without me testing it. Nice. So, we're approaching the last 5 minutes of the almost 22-hour print here. Maybe it's even getting to 22 hours, I'm not sure. Because the time estimation there with the print time left is a little inaccurate, so I'm not really sure where we will end up, but I think it will be somewhere around 21 hours and 55 minutes maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, the last few layers are printed there, so, or are being printed. And if you're wondering why the head always moves in the middle before it prints a new layer, it's actually because I'm using a time-lapse camera to the left there, which on your screen you can see on the bottom right. And this is actually the Octoprint camera, which is connected to the Raspberry Pi, you can see in the stream even. So, hopefully I will have a nice time-lapse of that later on. And yeah, I've never actually tested it because I'm using Octolapse now, which, as you can see right now, is moving the head to the middle there and taking a picture, and afterwards makes a 30-second clip or something. I've configured it to 30 seconds. You can do longer, but I think it will get boring after the time. So, yeah. And I actually have to say that this model turned out super well. I didn't think it would go this well. There are no fails whatsoever on this model. There, maybe a little bit. You can't really see it, but on the backside there is a little bit of a support failure. But it still catched on the model, and it still worked after that. So there's no problem there whatsoever. And I hope it's easy to remove because I use slicer or slicker or whatever you call that. Some people call it slicker. I'm not sure why. I've actually used that because it generates a lot far superior support compared to Cura. So, yeah. Also, apparently I should greet Nadine. Hi. Was los? Warum immer? Okay, back to English. Yeah. So, yeah. 3 minutes left. I hope it's actually accurate because I'm not sure. Should be. It does say good accuracy on Octoprint, so I hope it really is. Oh god. Also, I will use my built-in camcorder microphone after going to the 3D printer. So, yeah. Not sure if they're good enough, but at least that microphone will be better than the shitty built-in microphone I have on my headset. We'll see if it's loud enough. If not, I can use the shitty built-in one, which is super quiet, by the way. So, I don't really like that. Nadine is spamming me on WhatsApp right now. Kinda spamming me. Servus. Oh boy, 5 years. Not sure why even 5 people are watching this, because, yeah. It's kinda boring, so... You know what, I'll just quickly say an insider. A cheeseburger bit on the cola. Yeah, that's an insider, don't worry. Ich mache schon meinen Stream, Nadine. Was willst du noch mehr von mir? Okay, last minute. And I think I'll already go to my 3D printer. I'm not sure. Let me actually see what happens when I turn on VLC source here. If it's loud enough or not. Because I think it won't be, so let me turn off the music real quick here. So there we go. Music is turned off. Oh shit, no, I deactivated the wrong source. Oh shit. Please don't finish while it's not showing. Oh god. No, please. Oh my god, yes. Oh fuck, I accidentally disabled the wrong source in OBS. Oh god. There we go. VLC copyright free music. Oh shit. I was worried there for a sec that it would finish without being on the stream. Oh Jesus. Okay. Okay, so let me turn on the camcorder source thing here. There we go, and it finished. So let me just listen back to the stream. Okay. So I will go to my camcorder now because you can hear it in a delay. So yeah, let's do this. Hopefully this is loud enough now. Let's see. Oh, I also need my slippers. There we go. So now let me bump the camera a little here. Let's see. Oh, okay. Now you can see me. Hello. Let me turn the display around. So, let me turn off my sound here because it's really irritating to speak and hear myself right now. Also, I can't really read the chat right now, so let's remove it from the build plate now. There we go. You know what, I'll actually do it the official way. I will just remove it from the print surface here, like this. And snap it. There we go. Super easy. And it's loose. Holy shit. Look at how big this thing is compared to my hand. There we go. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Look at this beast. And this is amazing. I hope the support is easy to remove there because I'm not sure how Slicer handles things. I know it's easier, but not sure how much easier. You can see the backside there with the support. There's a little bit of a fail there, which is it's still printed perfectly fine though, so no issues there. There's also a little bit of a fail here, but let's try and remove it. It's actually working pretty nice. I almost have no room here to spare, so I'll move my stuff out of the way here. Let's zoom on here. There we go. Is it still running? Yes, it is. There we go. Let's open it a little up. Yes, so let's try and remove this without breaking anything. Oh my god, this was so easy. This was so easy, like, look at the eyelashes here. Super easy, no breakage whatsoever. Let's try and remove this one here. Wow! Look at this! This was so freaking easy, Jesus. It just fell off. Oh my god. I'm literally smiling right now because it's so freaking amazing. This too, like it just falls off. I'm just used to this shitty Ender 2 behind my back here, and it does a bad job at not giving the support to the model itself. Look at this, this is so freaking easy. Literally just yanking it, and there we go. This is the support. I'm not sure if one of you guys were here when I printed the original big Pinkie Pie model with the little bit tinier print. Wow, this was literally in here. It fell out with oh my god, this is just perfect. I'm so freaking amazed by this right now. This freaking 1,000 euro printer is worth every freaking euro I paid. Seriously. A little bit fused to the hoof there, but it's not too bad. But let's just, you know, it's just present. There we go. This is all the support there. Holy shit. Oh my god. This is literally the most satisfying thing I've done all week long. There we go. I was really afraid that the tail would fail, but like, look at this. This is just, I can, not sure what it's called in English, but I can just, this is completely loose in there, so I can just grab it with my pliers and hopefully pull it out. Probably completely loose, but it won't come out for some reason. Oh, there we go. I think it'll come out from the other side now. No, it's a little bit stubborn. There we go. No problem whatsoever. There we go. And she's free. This is the model. It's perfect. There are no... maybe a tiny little bit. There's like... I think that's from the support material actually. Fusing to the model a little bit. The underside is not super great, but just look at this here's example. It's not 100% perfect, but it's definitely good enough for something that's printed on support material only. So I think I'm a little bit too nitpicky here. I shouldn't have used the brim, probably. Oh, I'm still zoomed in. Oh wait, that's the wrong zoom. There we go. Yeah, but besides that, it's perfect. There's a little bit of support left still. There we go. I have to grab that with my slippers. There we go. I think you just have to grab some stuff with snippers or something because they're a little too well stuck to the model itself, but once you get them off, it's Actually, easy. There we go. It's gone. Chin. She has a little bit of a double chin there, so not sure if you can see that. A little bit of a double chin there, but not too bad. I have to snip off the excess material here. There we go. This is working really great. I love this printer so much already. There we go. Yeah, there's a little of over extrusion on the tail there, but I think that actually comes down to the filament, because the green filament I'm using is under extruding actually, even though the diameter is alright. There we go. And this is the finished Pinkie Pie model, and as you can see, it's as big as a hand, so this was a 22-hour print almost, so I'm more than happy that it actually came out the way it did. So almost no imperfections, maybe a little bit here on the tail. That's probably due to the support material. Yeah, that was a support, so this turned out way better than expected. A little bit in here, but I have to get that out of a needle. And the 10% infill I used is more than enough for this, and it's not super heavy, but it's as heavy as you would think it is. So yeah, look at that face. Oh god, that's kind of creepy actually. You know what? Let's do it like this. Let's make a creepy face shot. There we go. Creepy face. There we go. You know what? Let's do this again. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom back in. Oh boy. Yeah, but this is freaking amazing, man. I just love this model. Also go follow DJ Ted on Twitter. I think he is, I'm not sure. But at least he has a Patreon page. Patreon.com/DJ Ted. The link can be found scrolling around on the top there. Like this here, or like this, and in whatever direction it's going. And yeah, he made this model, so it worked perfectly fine. I just had to use a mesh fixer, whatever it's called, to fix the eye holes and the mouth hole, because this is an animation model and not a 3D print model. But it still worked fine. So whoa. Yeah, even the eyelashes. There's a little bit of stuff stuck there. Just a tiny little bit. A little bit of plastic still for the support, but yeah, no, it's gone. There we go. Yeah, this is fine. Let me take a picture for Twitter later on. You can follow me on twitter.com/AbigailPeter if you want. There we go. Close up too. A lot of stuff stuck on her eye. There we go. Okay, so let me go back to my PC again and let's wrap the stream up because it was going for 4 hours already. So yeah. There we go. Let me turn off the VLC thing there. So, okay. Yeah. It turned out perfectly fine. And let me actually see if the time lapse is already processed. Yeah, there we go. 31 megabytes. Let me download that real quick and let's show it on stream still. I'm not sure if I'm going to upload that on YouTube, by the way, so... There we go. Oh, it's 210 megabytes actually. Oh, I think it's still processing. Is it? I think it still is. No. What? On the webpage it says it's 32 megabytes, but when downloading it says it's 210 megabytes, which sounds a lot more reasonable. So, let me just see, it's still downloading. It's only 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so should take a little while. Seven seconds left. There we go. Then let me quickly view it. Let's see if it actually looks good. Oh, wait, what? That's not a... Oh, that's a 5-minute video. Is the MP4 one the real one? What? Let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. This looks amazing, holy shit. Okay, I'll quickly add that to my... there we go, media source. Temp media. And let's just say okay and disable this. Local file download, and let's choose this one. Close file when inactive. Okay, it should work now. There we go. There it is. There's the print. And this looks amazing. Even though it took 2 hours or more due to that. Because it always has to go in the middle and do that. It still looks amazing. The focus is sometimes a little off though, but it's not too bad. And for the next print I know that I have to position the camera a little different. There we go, it's looping again. This looks amazing though. Oh my god, I love this printer and Octoprint in general. They just go in hand so well. It's like they were meant for each other, like just made for each other, and they finally found together. So yeah, a 22-hour print, finally done. I know I can trust this i3 Mach 3 printer pretty well now, and I can even leave it alone, even though you shouldn't leave it alone. But I'll buy a what's it called again? A fire alarm, Wi-Fi fire alarm. So if something goes wrong, I will get notified. Hopefully, nobody knows. Maybe even with a SIM card, I'm not sure, but that will probably cost a little bit too much. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the stream. I think I'm streaming. Yeah, I'm streaming for almost 5 hours and 40 minutes now. I wasn't able to stream the whole thing because my capture card and Elgato, the Elgato Game Capture HD was going a little crazy. So, and I also had to use a PC that was capable of this thing, and yeah, it was a nightmare to set up. But in the end, it worked out. I'm happy. And the time lapse looks amazing, so I couldn't be happier right now. So yeah, thanks for watching this stream. If you sticked through the full 4 hours, 5 hours, 40 hours actually. Congrats to you, and thanks for watching. If you want to see the photos I've taken, just follow me on Twitter. Twitter.com/epiclp should be on screen. No, it's actually not on screen. I should add that. But anyways, yeah. Hope you have a nice day, and now you can shut the stream off. I'll just leave it running one more time because this is so satisfying to watch. Even though the focus was off. I'll let it loop one more time. Also, if you want to see this video, I'll also post it on Twitter later on, so go follow me there even more. There we go. It's starting to finish now, and thanks for watching again, and I hope you will turn on the stream next time I'm going to stream something. Thanks, and bye.